From the dawn of time, people have always wanted power. We see it, hear about it. Our artists sing songs about it. But the thing is, very few people know how to get or has what it takes to get power, much less maintain it. Some use money, politics, influence, and a lot of things. Back in the late 90s, there was a book named 48 Laws of Power. This book was so influential and insightful, it was banned in prisons and even in some countries. This book is nothing complex. It articulates 48 laws to attain and maintain power. And would you believe that these laws are used knowingly and unknowingly around us every day, even in music? Whether they talk about the gangster life or love, most dancehall songs echo the sentiments of how to get, maintain, or take power. Law 3. Conceal your intentions. Keep people off balance and in the dark by never revealing the purpose behind your actions. If they have no clue what you are up to, they cannot prepare a defense. Dancehall as a genre is just as dangerous as Chicago and UK real music. A lot of times anything goes, on the track and in real life. Doing too much can reveal details that would lead to any artist's downfall. Doing too much can put any artist on the end of lethal diss tracks or beatings. Concealing your intentions can also build suspense for an upcoming song, possible collaborations or appearance. For artists who are living double lives would do well to conceal their shadow dealings, unlike the recent debacle with Young Thug and Gunna, where their songs were used against them in court to connect them to gangs. In recent Jamaican songs, we often hear artists say that they don't trust people or they can't let their enemies know their next move.
They see me smile, but they don't know what I feel inside. That's why girl love killer, not bossy man. Yeah. Vision some things when I can't talk. Enough dark days from me brother pass up. No one nobody asks me how me doing, come great.
Whether it's emotions or future plans, it would seem as if artists and Jamaicans alike understand this rule, but it's the opposite. The most recent and viral transgression of this law was done by rising dancehall artist, Silkboss. According to his recent viral interview with his former manager Terro, Silkboss was robbed by his friends after telling them that he was going to buy a new BMW before he bought it. Knowing Silkboss was naive, they lured him into their clutches and mercilessly violated him. He revealed his intentions to those who did not have his best interest in mind, and he almost paid the ultimate price. An artist in dancehall that has observed this law immaculately is Alkaline. Throughout the years and controversy, Alkaline was always known as a distant and secretive person. Even his former producer, DJ Frass, said that even he didn't have that much access to Alkaline. He was briefly a part of the MVP collective for a short time, but even that relationship has dissolved. Alkaline for the most part is mysterious and embodies the third law of power to the T. He doesn't do interviews, hardly collaborates with artists, and can fall off of the face of the earth and release songs that still get attention. Concealing your intentions destroys fleeting popularity, creating an air of mystery.